Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of unevenly baked cookies or undercooked casseroles, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 24-inch electric wall ovens of 2025, compact, efficient, and perfect for modern kitchens. Stick around to discover your ideal match. At number 5 is GASLAND 24-inch. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful oven that delivers exceptional performance, the GASLAND 24-inch electric wall oven is a standout choice among the top 5 best 24-inch electric wall ovens. With its generous 2.6 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample space for your culinary creations. The oven boasts 12 versatile cooking modes, including convection bake, broil, rotisserie, and more, ensuring you have the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes. Its advanced 3D convection system ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots and delivering consistent results. The 360-degree rotisserie function allows for perfectly roasted meats, adding a professional touch to your cooking. Designed with a sleek touch control panel and a 3-layer tempered glass door, it combines functionality with modern aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this oven is designed to elevate your culinary experience. For more information and to purchase, check out the link in the description below. At number 4 is COSMO Lumin Collection. Looking to elevate your kitchen without breaking the bank? The COSMO Lumin Collection 24-inch electric wall oven offers a sleek, modern design packed with impressive features. With its 2.5 cubic feet capacity and turbo-true European convection, it ensures even cooking and faster preheating, making it a top contender among the best 24-inch electric wall ovens. The 8 specialized oven functions, including convection with fan and double grill with fan, provide versatility for various cooking needs. Safety is a priority with features like auto safety shutoff, cavity cooling system, and a triple-layer door. The clean stainless steel finish and intuitive controls add to its appeal. While some users have reported inconsistent temperatures and control issues, many appreciate its performance and design. If you're seeking a stylish and functional oven for a compact space, the COSMO Lumin Collection is worth considering. On number 3 is Empava 2.5 cubic feet. Looking for a compact oven that delivers big results? The Empava 24-inch electric wall oven is a game changer in the world of compact kitchen appliances. With a generous 2.5 cubic feet capacity, it comfortably accommodates large meals, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. The black ceramic interior not only enhances its sleek appearance but also makes cleaning a breeze. Equipped with multiple cooking functions, including broil, bake, and keep warm, this oven offers versatility to suit various culinary needs. Its ergonomic control knobs and built-in timer ensure precise cooking, while the 3-layer tempered glass door provides safety and durability. The Empava oven's design seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor, adding a touch of modern elegance. For those seeking a reliable and stylish oven without compromising on performance, the Empava 24-inch electric wall oven is a top contender. At number 2 is ThermoMate 2.79 cubic feet. Looking for a compact oven that delivers big results? The ThermoMate 24-inch electric wall oven is a game changer in the world of compact kitchen appliances. With a generous 2.79 cubic feet capacity, it comfortably accommodates large meals, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. The black ceramic interior not only enhances its sleek appearance but also makes cleaning a breeze. Equipped with multiple cooking functions, including broil, bake, and keep warm, this oven offers versatility to suit various culinary needs. Its ergonomic control knobs and built-in timer ensure precise cooking, while the 3-layer tempered glass door provides safety and durability. The ThermoMate oven's design seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor, adding a touch of modern elegance. For those seeking a reliable and stylish oven without compromising on performance, the ThermoMate 24-inch electric wall oven is a top contender. Now moving to the last one is the AMZCHEF 24-inch. Looking for a 24-inch electric wall oven that combines power, versatility, and modern design? The AMZCHEF 24-inch wall oven stands out in the crowded market of compact electric ovens. With a spacious 2.65 cubic feet interior and a robust 2200-watt heating system, it ensures even cooking and quick preheating, making it a strong contender among the top 5 best 24-inch electric wall ovens. This oven offers 5 cooking modes, including broil, bake, grill, keep warm, and defrost, providing flexibility for various culinary needs. Its sleek stainless steel finish and user-friendly mechanical knobs add a touch of elegance and ease of use to your kitchen. The 3-layered tempered glass door enhances safety by effectively isolating high-temperature steam. Compared to other models in its category, the AMZCHEF oven's combination of features, performance, and design makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish addition to their kitchen. The AMZCHEF 24-inch electric wall oven stands out as the top choice among the 5. Its 360-degree rotating rotisserie ensures evenly cooked, succulent dishes, while the spacious 2.65 cubic feet capacity accommodates family-sized meals. With 5 versatile cooking modes and precise temperature control up to 482 Fahrenheit, it offers flexibility for various cooking styles. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, and the easy-to-clean enamel interior simplifies maintenance. For those seeking a powerful, multifunctional, and stylish oven, the AMZCHEF is a smart investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best 24-inch electric wall oven. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.